Hello family, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Queen Dushma. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make neem oil for faster, thicker and healthier hair growth. If you're interested in this kind of content, definitely keep on watching. And if you love this so far, please go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up and comment anything nice in the comment section down below so that I know the kind of content that you like. Alright, so let's get into the video. So if you live here in Nigeria, you know that it is easy to get your hands on this neem, aka dogon yaro, because it's pretty much found everywhere. It could be on the streets, it could just... So now that we've located our dogon yaro, aka neem, now we have to pluck the leaves into a clean bowl. Now neem oil contains fatty acids, antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds, and these can benefit the skin in a range of ways. Now research shows that these compounds may help fight skin infections, promote wound healing and even combat signs of skin aging. So what I would like to do is wash these my neem leaves thoroughly, because you can find bird poop and dirt on this stuff, so you need to wash it really clean because you're going to put it in our hair, so we don't want any of this dirt, you know, clogging our pores and all of that. So wash your neem leaves thoroughly, as you can see me doing in the video. I washed it a couple of times, but in this video I showed you 2 times. I changed the water and washed it again, as you can see. So neem oil is filled with ingredients that benefit the skin, like vitamin E and essential fatty acids, which makes it a great natural method to fight off dryness.
1 hour later.
At this point, my little one was trying to help me out. How cute is that? Okay, so that was very cute. So right now I'm going to take my leaves and try to put in this small mortar to get it working the way we want, because we don't want it like this. We want it in a paste, but yeah, so anyhow you can achieve that, even if it's through a blender. I recommend getting a very good blender in order to help do this. Anyway, we got pounding, and if you're watching right now and my little one is pounding and you've not thumbs up, please just thumbs up already. It doesn't take anything from you. It is you saying you support me. Okay, so this is how the neem leaves is actually looking right now after I pounded it. It took so much time, guys, because it's a very small mortar. I think if it was a bigger one, it would have done the job easier. So into a clean bowl, I'm going to put the mixture inside. Is it mixture? But I'm going to put the neem leaves inside this clean bowl and scoop everything out, because we're not wasting nothing. Okay, we're not wasting anything. So scoop everything out, and then this is where the fun part comes into play. You can use any carrier oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, any oil at all of your choice. And in this video, of course, I made use of the olive oil, to extract the goodness of neem. Okay, so I'm getting all the oils that I want into this neem blend. Is it blend? I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but in this neem that I pounded, right? So I got like so much of it inside because I wanted it to last for a long time, I just wanted it to last for a long time, so I'll just take my mind off of doing this thing again. So yeah, so right now I'm going to mix the whole thing up so that it looks good. And I'm going to be using the double boiler method in order to extract all the goodness of a neem for myself. So in a pan or in a pot you're going to use, just boil the water to heat up for a little bit, then put the bowl. For my tutorial I'll use a glass bowl, of course. So we put the bowl on the stove. This is the double boiler method, of course. Allow it to stay there. So stir the mixture from time to time so you can combine everything, the oil, the goodness of the neem, everything. So stir from time to time, like you can see me do. So Yeah, so I left this off for on the stove for about 20 minutes, I think. Yeah, 20 minutes or so. Yeah, and now to extract all the goodness, and you can see that the color has really changed, and that the neem itself has lightened up. It's not as thick as it was, so it's going to get lighter and lighter as we go on the cooking. Okay, all right, keep on watching, guys. And if you've not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Like this video, and if you love what you've seen already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. For on this channel we'll do a lot of DIYs because I'm on a hair journey. But yeah, so you're going to be seeing a lot of DIYs on my channel, so just support me by hitting the subscribe button, and if you do that, hit the notification bell just beside it so that you can be the first to be notified whenever I drop this kind of content. Okay, all right, so yeah, so I kept staring and staring. Don't get tired, keep staring and staring. This point means safe. I just got tired of staring the whole thing, but I never gave up. I continued to stare and stare to combine everything together so nicely. And after 20 minutes or so, I took it down from the heat and I allowed it to cool down before I strained the mixture.
A few moments later.
So this is me trying to put the oil down. You would notice that the oil floats on top and that the neem stays under. So now it's your turn to make neem oil. Okay, guys, take care.